Today we're making the best yeast cake with fruit and crumble topping. You'll find the exact measurements for all ingredients in the video description below. As always, I invite new viewers to subscribe to my channel. In a bowl, we'll combine flour, warm milk, a pinch of salt, sugar, eggs, egg yolks, and our prepared yeast mixture. For the yeast mixture, I used 45 g of fresh yeast, a tablespoon each of flour and sugar, and 1/3 cup of lukewarm milk. I let the yeast mixture sit for 10 minutes until it rose, then added it to the dough. I'm using a stand mixer to knead everything together. The dough will be sticky, but that's exactly how it should be. Finally, we'll add melted and cooled butter, mixing for a moment longer to incorporate all the ingredients. I'll show you what the dough's consistency should look like after mixing. It's sticky. You wouldn't be able to shape it with your hands. We'll leave it in this form to rise for about We'll bake it in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 25 minutes or until the cake is nicely browned. Once it's done, you can dust it with powdered sugar or add frosting. I highly recommend it. It's absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching.